Welcome to part 2. This is for absolute beginners. I'm assuming you saw part 1 already, so you know how to hold a mouth harp in your mouth. Before we get started, you should know that every mouth harp sounds differently and has its own unique qualities. Not all can do the same thing, not all make the same sounds, so over time you might find yourself buying different mouth harps for different qualities. Mouth harps have different tuning, some are not tuned at all, and some are tuned to a specific note. No matter what your harp sounds like, just follow along with this lesson as best as you can. This is for absolute beginners. If you've already been playing the mouth harp a little bit, then this is going to be too boring for you. So this is for first timers. First, we're going to practicing plucking in at a rhythm, breathing through the nose only. Now we're going to pluck out, breathing through the nose only. Now we're going to pluck in and out, breathing through the nose only. Now we're going to practice plucking in, where we breathe in and then out through the nose. So in with the mouth, out with the nose. Now we're going to breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. And now we're going to breathe out and breathe in with the mouth. Now we're going to practice opening and closing the throat, squeezing the throat while breathing through the nose. And now we'll open and close the throat, breathing out and breathing in. And now we're going to practice moving the tongue inside the mouth towards the teeth for a very high sound and then back for a very low sound. So we'll start by the teeth. Now, since our tongue is in front by the teeth, we'll just practice making a nya sound. So it's nya. Now we'll make a space sound going nya. So we're going nya, and then open the throat at the bottom, and then squeeze it again to make the sound come up high again. So let's try it slowly. Now try it breathing in while you do it. Now I'll try breathing out. Now we'll practice la 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 la. And I'm breathing out and breathing in while I do it. Just go la 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 la, moving the tongue back, inhaling, exhaling. Now we'll practice moving the lips up and down. We'll try moving our lips up and down, inhaling and exhaling. Now we're going to practice breathing in very strongly when our mouth is closed tightly over the mouth harp. Now we're going to practice plucking out fast while we breathe out fast. Now we'll practice E-O, E-O, E-O. Now, ow, ow. Remember, don't move your jaw, because then this will hit your teeth. Just relax the jaw. It's mostly moving the throat. Ow, oh. Some harps are very melodic. They're not fuzzy like that one. For example, this Morchang is very melodic, so you can hear different notes, different overtones by squeezing the throat. So we'll practice opening and closing the throat to make higher and lower notes. So you can listen and then follow along. I'm also moving my tongue up and back at the same time as I'm opening and closing my throat. Another sound you can make is ta 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 ta. And you can do the opposite, sucking in. Some harps have what is called a draw start, where you can just suck in air and make it produce a sound without plucking or with only one pluck. When I breathe in, I close my lips, and then when I breathe out, I open my lips so the air can move around the harp. Another technique involves striking when the harp is not on your teeth, but is just in your lips. You want to be careful because it'll pinch your lip when you're first learning how to do this, so it hurts a little bit. But with practice, you'll find the right place to put the harp in your mouth. So this is also what you do to make the horse sound. Now to make the galloping sound, you want to open your throat so it's a deep and hollow sound. And then let's do the rhythm while you work with your throat. So it's out, out, in, out, 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 in, out, 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 in, out. You could also go like... I'll do it slow. So, like this. You go. It's more like. That takes more time to practice. A more advanced sound is rolling your R's against the harp. Here's an example. Oh, that sounded terrible. And this is where using the right harp for the right sound is important. So now I'm going to roll my R's, this time with a Doromb Blackfire. And let's see how it goes. Yeah, that sounds good. So hopefully that sounded okay. I'm just learning how to do that one. To roll my R's with the harp, I kick my tongue forward. So I kick from the back of the throat. And then I'm trying to press my tongue up against this tongue, up against the reed. Almost as if I want to smash my tongue against it. So it's very forceful. So that's a terrible example, but hopefully it's enough to get you started doing the rolling your R's technique. So now if you want to just practice, I will play rhythm for you over and over. I will change my harps about every 20 seconds. I'll just keep a rhythm and you try different tricks. Or just keep rhythm with me, or do double rhythm, inhaling, exhaling. Just play around, or you could stop here. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun. I'm only a beginner. I learned a lot of these techniques from Jamie Bebb, from Aron Zalagi, and from Olena Utai, and many others. But I'll put some links below so you can watch their videos and learn their very cool techniques. So that's a terrible example. All right, thank you.